everyone, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Brittany of BrittanyJJones.com. If this is your first time tuning into the channel, welcome. I hope that you will like what you see and subscribe below for more. In this video today, I'm going to be sharing with you all my next project that I'm going to be sewing and recording. I'll be doing a sew along for it. But in this video, I'm going to be sharing the pattern, sharing the fabric, and any other notions that I had to purchase for it. I already bought it. And also the size that I'm going to be cutting. And then again on Friday I will be uploading the sew along, and then on Sunday we'll have another live talking about it. So that is our plan for this week. I'm really excited about it, so let's get into the pattern. Today I went to Joann's, and today is the 9th, January 9th. I didn't know there was a simplicity sale going on. Yesterday on the 8th I was looking on Instagram and I saw Monica, that's so Monica, in her stories. She was, I don't know if she was there that same day, but she kind of showed a glimpse of the simplicity sale thing in Joann's, and I saw the end date was yesterday on the 8th, so I was like, darn, I've already missed the sale, but I still wanted to go because, again, I've already told you all that I want to start doing a video sharing the pattern Friday to sew along, so I wanted to stick to that. So I was going to go up there today and just go ahead and buy one pattern. That was my plan. I go up there today. It takes me like 20-25 minutes to get to the closest Joann's to me. It's in Douglasville. So I got there like around 10 o'clock. They open at 9. And they still had the simplicity sale thing out, even though the sale ended on Sunday. Now, I wasn't looking for the store manager to kind of, you know, honor the sale price because it says that the sale goes off on the 8th. So I was cool with that. But while I was back there looking at the patterns, the sale manager comes, or the store manager comes, and he starts to take the signs away. And he looks and he was like, don't worry, I'll honor the price. And I was like, oh, thanks. When he said that, I was like, okay, I'm not going to get one anymore. Let's get a couple. So I'm going to show you first the patterns that I've grabbed. Okay, so I got 6 patterns. I'll show you the ones that I got for Jerome because my husband did tell me that he wanted Simplicity 8615. This is an overalls. It's like a vintage remake of a vintage pattern from Mimi Norris made this. So I got this one for him. I remember him telling me that he wanted it. So when it was on sale, I was there. I went ahead and grabbed that one for my husband. I also got this one here for him. Let me see what the correct number is because I pulled it off of the display. So this is 9694. And this is just it's a boys and men's jacket, vest, hat, and crossbody bag. I got this because my husband loves fanny packs. He loves his fanny packs. He has one that he really wears the most, and so I wanted to kind of make him another one. So when I saw this pattern, I thought it'd be nice. And I also think he might like view A of this as well as the little hat. He likes his beanies. He likes his fanny pack. And I think that is a jacket that he might like. Oh my gosh, I just had an idea. We were in H&M. There was a denim jacket in there with the Sherpa lining. But it wasn't in his size. We didn't get it. But it was just like this. Okay, winner chicken dinner. We're going to make this for my husband. Definitely gonna make this for him. So I got this one for my husband. I also got this one here, Simplicity 9649. I really like View C on this. This is just a Mrs. Poncho, and you can make it out of boiled wool, sweatshirt fleece, and fleece. I have some really nice red wool blend that I wanted to make. So I think I'm gonna go with View C or either View A. I like View A also, and use the wool for that. So I got this for that. The next one that I picked up was Simplicity 9642. And I got this one because I do like View A, but I mainly got it because I thought this would be a really cute pattern just to sew up and share. So I got this one more so to record and do content for, not so much for myself, but I do like View A. I can see myself wearing View A if it's in a nice fabric. And if it's like I won't say maxi length, but definitely maybe midi length. I don't know. We'll see. I picked up this one, like I said, more so for content. I think it'd be great to do for the series that I mentioned during the live. If you missed the live on Sunday, I mentioned that I wanted to do like a Valentine's Day dress series leading up to Valentine's Day. sewing dresses, sewing a dress a week and doing a sew along for it. So this is what I had in mind. Not 100% my style. I will wear it, but it was more so for, oh, this would be a great Valentine's Day dress. So I got this one. Again, it's Simplicity 9642. I also got Simplicity 9259. I thought this was a really, really cute dress. This one is a women's knit dress and tunic. And I believe this one is in plus sizes. So it's 18W through 34W. So during this whole dressmaking series, I want to make sure that I'm using patterns that aren't just for misses, but also for women. So when I saw this one, I was like, that's a great dress to make. It is a knit dress and I really like it. This is something that I would definitely wear. I love view A, I love view B with the sleeves. So I really do like this dress here. The last one that I picked up was Simplicity 8644. This is the one that I am going to make and do a video for Friday. So this video will go live on Friday. I haven't sewn it yet, so I'm going to be hard at work. But I love this one. This is a women's and misses. So it's misses sizes and it's plus sizes as well. It's a knit dress in 3 different lengths. I like view A on this pattern. That's probably the view that I'm going to make. And I may do view B length. View A with the front opening, neck opening, but view B length. I like the maxi length of it, but I got this pattern. So this is the one that I'm going to be doing the sew along for on Friday. So let's take a deeper look at it to see what size I plan to cut. Pattern number again, 9644. I picked up the pattern envelope for sizes 10 through 18. And I think I'm going to go again with view A on this pattern. Looking on the back of the envelope, again, you see it's for misses and women's. It's a knit dress in 3 different lengths. For suggested fabrics, it's suggesting stretch knits, such as jersey, lightweight ponte, textured knit. A textured knit could be like a Liverpool knit that has a really nice texture on it, or any other texture knit that you may have. And also stretch velvet. For notions, you will, of course, need coordinating thread. You'll also need 1 invisible zipper. You will need a 22-inch length zipper for sizes 10 through 18, and you will need a 22-inch zipper for sizes 20W through 28W. There's also other notions for view B and view C. For view B, you will need some clear elastic. For view C, you will also need a zipper and some buttons. But again, I'm going to just go with view A on this pattern. So that's what I'm mostly focused on, making sure that I have the notions for view A. Now for sizes, my bust is currently a 40. And so for that, it's telling me that I need a size 18 based off of my size 40 bust. I am going to come straight down here though and look at the finished garment measurements for a size 18, and that's a 41. So this will give me 1 inch of extra ease, which is okay because this is a knit dress. If this was a woven dress, I would want a little bit more. Since woven doesn't stretch, I would want a little bit more ease. And based off of the design of the dress, it's kind of sort of fitted. It's not loose and oversized. It's a nice design that just kind of sits and drapes along the body. So it's not too form-fitting. So I don't want it to be too big, but with the knit, it'll stretch nicely over the bust. So I am going to cut the size 18. So that is why I went ahead and bought pattern 10 through 18. I did take a look and make sure that I fell in here, which I do. For the waist is 39.5. I may have to take it in a little bit on my pattern for the waist, but we'll see. It doesn't have finished garment measurements for the hip listed on here, but just looking at the design of the dress, it looks like it's just gonna kind of flow right over the hips, but I will double check once I look at the pattern tissue to see if they have the finished garment measurements printed there. So those are all the details that I need for the dress. You can take a look at the length, especially if you're more so on the taller side. You may need to add some length to your pattern, but overall I did get some knit fabric, and I'll show you in a minute. I did go ahead and get my zipper, and I'll be cutting a size 18 for this dress. Okay, for zipper, this is my zipper here. This is a 20 through 22 inch invisible zipper. This is in the color magenta. And for fabric, I went with this double brush knit here that I found in Joann's when I was looking for the pattern. I went ahead and picked up this fabric here because I know in our store, Melanated Fabrics, we haven't gotten our Valentine's Day fabrics in stock just yet. And I wanted fabric that kind of had red and pink in it just to kind of go with the theme that I'm trying to do here. So this was the one that stuck out to me. It has some pinks in here. And I also wanted a fabric that I could wear not just for Valentine's Day. I didn't want to get anything too shiny. Now velvet, I'll wear that anytime. I can wear that in fall, you know, just going out, running errands. But I didn't want anything too shiny, too sequiny. I want to still be able to wear these dresses I'm making. I don't just want to do all this sewing and then I can't wear the dresses out. So I thought this is also a print that I could definitely wear, you know, in other months. And I thought it would be really cute with this dress here. So I'm excited. I did think about doing a solid though, I will be honest, because I do like the solid that the model is wearing as opposed to the print. But I'm hoping that, you know, this will work out for me once it's all said and done. So this is just a really nice soft double brush again. And I did grab this from Joann's while I was in there, along with my invisible zipper that we will also need for the pattern. All right, y'all, so that is the pattern that I'll be doing a sew along for on Friday. So if you are interested in seeing a step-by-step sew along for this dress, again, it's Simplicity 9644. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now and turn on your notifications so you do not miss when the video goes live. If you've made it this far in the video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Comment below if you have any of these Simplicity patterns, if you've made any of these before. Let me know down in the comment section. And yeah, thank you so much for tuning in and watching. I cannot wait to upload the sew along on Friday. I have a lot of work to do. As you can see, the fabric's not cut, nothing's done yet. And I really hope that I remember while I am editing the video to put in just some kind of timestamps of I did this portion for 30 minutes and took a break. Or, you know, this is a new day that I'm recording. Like today, I started on Tuesday, today is Thursday. You know what I'm saying? I hope that I can remember to put that in there because oftentimes people watch sew-alongs and they think that you're just knocking out the video at one time, and that is not the case. At least it's not for me. Like I said, I sew in 30, so I always take breaks. It just helps me to be able to be creative, but also be productive and get other things done. Like today was super productive, which is why my hair is herring. She's doing what she wants to do. I did so much today and I was so happy and thankful. And this right here, me sitting down, getting this video out for you all is just awesome because it's something that I wanted to do. So this is me getting in my sew in 30 creative time because this is what I wanted to do today. So yeah, I'm really excited for Friday. Make sure that you have your notifications turned on and I will see you all then. Blessings, everyone. Bye. Thank you so much for watching the video. Be sure to check out these two playlists here if you are interested in more sewing content. Check my blog out at BrittanyJJones.com and make sure that you subscribe to the channel so you know when the next video goes live. Until next time, blessings. Bye.